Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Paddy's Lock and Learn. Today we're going to show you how to install the PAC-TETHER on your PAC locks, starting with the 17 series block lock and 88 series shrouded coupler lock. In the second half of the video, we'll cover the similar installation process of the PAC-TETHER on our 81 series trailer door lock and 82 series container lock. This simple addition keeps your lock attached to your application while unlocked, minimizing the risk of losing your PAC lock. Now let's get to it. Locate the PAC-TETHER kit, which is included with 17 and 88 series lock purchases. This kit is made of one PAC-TETHER and two ferrules. Next, you'll need your block lock style PAC lock. And finally, find a crimping tool, wire cutters, or a pair of pliers to complete the installation. Start by locating the designated PAC-TETHER hole on your block lock. Insert one end of the PAC-TETHER through the back side of the lock body. Slide the ferrule onto the PAC-TETHER and hold. You'll want to minimize the tether length on this end. Then, take the remaining PAC-TETHER and slide through the open side of the ferrule. Pull the PAC-TETHER all the way through, ensuring the loop around the lock body is tight. Once the PAC-TETHER is in place, grab your crimping tool to secure the tether. This will keep your PAC-TETHER attached to your block lock. Now, take the second ferrule and slide it down the loose end of the PAC-TETHER. Insert the PAC-TETHER through the second ferrule side to create a large loop. This extra loop space will allow you to remove the lock from the application in the future without needing to cut the PAC-TETHER. Confirm the second ferrule is slid all the way down towards the first ferrule installed before crimping. Now, the remaining installation process may vary depending on your application, but for today's video, we're securing the 88 series onto a trailer coupler latch pin. Slide the PAC-TETHER loop through the hole in the coupler latch pin. Pull the loop over your PAC lock and secure it by threading the lock through. Now the lock stays with the coupler, even when unlocked, minimizing the risk of the 88 series getting lost or left behind. And that's it. Simple, easy, and now your block lock stays attached while not in use. If you're using an 81 series trailer door lock or an 82 series container lock, the installation process is just as simple, but the hardware is slightly different. Instead of two ferrules, this PAC-TETHER kit includes one PAC-TETHER, one ferrule, and a 2.5 millimeter hex wrench. Start by locating the PAC-TETHER retaining screw on the back of the lock. Use the included 2.5 millimeter hex wrench to loosen the screw. No need to remove it completely. If you happen to fully remove the screw, it's no big deal. It just needs to be loosened enough so you can feed the PAC-TETHER underneath in the next step. Facing the bottom of the lock, feed the PAC-TETHER through the small hole that intersects with the retaining screw you just loosened. Once the tether is in position, tighten the retaining screw and give the PAC-TETHER a couple tugs, confirming it's secure. Now it's time to create the loop. Start by sliding the ferrule about 3/4 of the way down the PAC-TETHER. Then, feed the remaining end back through the ferrule to form a large loop. Make sure the loop is big enough for the lock to pass through. This allows you to remove or install the lock on your application later without cutting the PAC-TETHER. Once the loop is sized to your liking, crimp the ferrule into place using a crimping tool, wire cutters, or even just a pair of pliers. Now your 81 or 82 series lock is ready to be tethered to your application. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need additional tips, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at PACLOCK. We're here to help.